It is brekkie time. Oh no. I am not about to sit in a picnic table in the shade. It is too cold for that. No thank you. Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. This morning we're making pancakes. We're going to load them up with peanut butter, and I don't have any syrup, so we're going to use molasses instead. But I figure I'd take this moment to share what is in our kitchen as well, because hey, that might be interesting. The full out everything we have in our van kitchen. Go. I think it'll take 5 seconds. We got a spatula, which I will be using. Tongs we have yet to use. Knife we have used. These guys I use periodically. Boom. That is our beautiful, wonderful, unmatchy-match set of kitchen utensils. This right here is my absolute favorite. It brings great joy to me. And then our stack of actual plates, spoons, and baby cups, because David likes milk. And I like kombucha. We have some of these guys, which are Ziploc baggies, paper towels, which are a total must. And we do have paper plates, but we've yet to use those. I guess they're a lot easier. I just don't like to add a lot of trash to what we already have. So, additionally, we have some cloth, which we don't really use this. We use paper towels more often than not. But what this is super great for is putting in between the plates and the spoons, and not the spoons, the plates and the bowls in the morning after we've eaten or whenever we've eaten. We put this in between. That way when we're riding in the van, it makes them quiet, basically. It kind of puts a little buffer in between so they're not jangling around in the back. Literally all this stuff fits into my little milk crate. We've got some Tupperware and some cleaning stuff. This stuff is great just because, oh, you can't even see, it's just so bright. Dr. Bronner's, because it's good for all-purpose cleaning. And this stuff is really interesting. Boom. It's like alcohol-free. It's basically kind of like water, but you can, well, I'll show you. Have like 4 things in our kitchen, I managed to lose pretty much everything all the time. It's called whisking. Whisking with a fork, since we have no whisk. How are you doing this morning?
Pretty good. It's cold, but I did discover I can only wear one glove because of my splint. So I had to put on a sock.
In the nature of making things work with what you got, David is true.
Everything has 2 jobs, right? Everything has
or more. Our meals usually aren't this complicated. Like usually in the morning I'll have some yogurt with some fruit, and it's a lot easier to just eat in the van and get going on the day. But today, since it was super pretty, deceivingly warm outside, it's not, we figured, oh, we have the picnic table, might as well. This has taken probably 2 hours. So lastly, you guys have caught us at the end of our egg breakfast, cleaning up. But what I was saying about this stuff is it is alcohol-free. It's like an iodizing cleanser, so you don't have to use soap and water, but it safely cleans everything. So I like it. A friend of mine gave it to me. It's good stuff for easy cleanup.